Welcome to my in-depth review of ProLaw, a specialized accounting software built for law firms. If you're a legal professional looking for a streamlined way to manage your firm's finances, this review will guide you through ProLaw's main features, tools, and overall user experience. First, let's start with the homepage. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with a clean, professional interface. ProLaw aims to simplify the often complex world of legal accounting, so there's a clear focus on ease of use. Whether you're handling client billing or trust accounting, the site's design ensures all tools are easy to find and use. ProLaw offers a range of key features, starting with its billing system. You can generate invoices, track payments, and manage client accounts all in one place. The ability to customize invoices to meet client needs or firm requirements is incredibly useful. Plus, ProLaw integrates with various payment gateways, making it easy for clients to pay online. Another important feature is trust accounting. Law firms need to comply with strict legal requirements regarding client funds, and ProLaw helps ensure the trust accounts are properly managed. It offers automatic trust account reconciliation, reducing the risk of errors. This feature alone makes it a valuable tool for law firms. The financial reporting tools are robust as well. ProLaw generates detailed reports on a variety of financial metrics, from cash flow to accounts payable, so you can keep track of the firm's financial health at all times. The platform also allows you to customize reports according to your firm's needs, making it very adaptable for firms of different sizes. Navigating ProLaw is straightforward. The dashboard gives you an overview of key tasks, and the menus are well organized. You can quickly access different sections like billing, trust accounts, financial reports, and more. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy even for those who are tech-savvy to get started. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. One of the standout features of ProLaw is its cloud-based setup, which means you can access your firm's financial data from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're working from the office or remotely, ProLaw ensures you're always connected. The platform also offers strong security measures, such as two-factor authentication, ensuring your data is safe. However, ProLaw isn't perfect. Some users have mentioned that the pricing can be a bit high for smaller firms, especially when compared to other legal accounting platforms. It's worth considering the cost if your firm is on a tight budget. That said, ProLaw's reliability and depth of features make it a great choice for medium to large law firms that need comprehensive accounting solutions. The software is particularly beneficial for firms that handle a large volume of clients or complex financial operations. To wrap things up, ProLaw offers a powerful suite of tools for law firm accounting, but it may not be ideal for every practice due to its pricing. If you're running a larger firm or need advanced financial reporting and trust accounting features, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on legal and financial tools. Thanks for watching.